gonna let you go. Hey, oh, something, something, something. Let's talk about this song by the Academic called Bear Claw, which is a kind of donut. The intro begins with the D chord, and then I'm just lifting my index finger off the third string, and I'm just playing 4, 3, and 2, because that's a G chord. And so it goes D to G. You can finger the whole G if you want. So D, G, B minor, G. That's the intro. It's also the verse and pretty much the hey ho part. So now a couple simplified ways to play the B minor, right? Is a bar chord. That's probably the hardest chord in this song. If you want to play it as a bar chord, you fret all the way across the second fret on up until the A string. Place your middle finger on the B string at the 3rd fret, and place your ring and pinky on the 4th fret on the A and D. Now you could take your A minor chord that you play in the open position, just slide it up 1, 2 to the 3rd fret, and just play strings 4, 3, 2. So that would be like this. Sounds fine. Another way to play the B minor chord is to play it like this. Kind of like the F shape, except you're playing it on strings 1, 2, and 3. Index on 2nd fret, 1st string. On the B string, you get your ring, your middle finger, and then on the G string, you got your ring. You could also put your ring on the D string and then put your pinky on the G. That'll sound even better. Okay, but that's probably the toughest chord in this song. Let's go on to the chorus. Before the chorus happens, at the end of the verse, it goes. It has a transition of A to G. They're like, can't you see from my face, I'm not lying to you. And then after that repeats 2 times, A to G. Then it goes late night girl, something. Now the chords here are E minor. Then that goes down 1 whole step to the note below, which is D major. Okay, so E minor to D. And then we have B minor again. And that goes down 1 whole step to A. So that's how I kind of think of this chorus as a series of pairing chords which are going down 1 whole step. E minor D, B minor A, E goes to D, B goes to A. Alright. Then when they come out of that, that's when they go to the hey ho, and you're changing the rhythm slightly, but it's still D, G, B, G. So it's like 1, 2, hey, 1, 2, ho, and then never gonna let you go, hey, ho, never gonna let you go. I think they go to that A to G again. And I think right back into the chorus again. Okay, so that's the song. The academic did do a lesson on this song on YouTube, but they're doing the electric version. And when they do the acoustic version, they play it differently. The electric version has like major 6 chords in it. So I think it's a little more difficult than this acoustic version. So have fun with it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.